Here is the truck horn prop. It is a Plano toolbox with a truck air horn mounted to the top. It also has a infrared motion sensor built into the front, has a on-off switch on the top, and a recessed 110 AC outlet mounted to the top. On the back, it has inputs. It has a Euro cable input for power. Also has the input for the compressed air. On the front you can see the motion sensor, as well as the horn mounted on top. On the top side, you've got the on-off switch and a recessed power outlet. The horn is secured by two screws here, as well as a screw clamp there. I will now open it up. Here's a bit of a top view. Opens up with the latches. Now, just a quick overview. You've got a power strip, which is wired into the Euro input that's mounted to the outside. There's a pressure regulator that is connected directly to the port on the outside. You can see down on the bottom there is a solenoid air valve, which is all wired in. You've got your power cords along here, and then you've got your components up here. You've got the recessed 110 outlet. You've got your tube and port for your air supply to the air horn, and then I'll get a closer look in a moment, but there's a 2 relay board here. There's an Arduino Nano and the infrared motion sensor, and the on-off switch is also wired in, and I will zoom in and show more of that now. Here's your 2 relay board, Arduino Nano, infrared motion sensor, and up here you just got wired in for your on-off switch. The relay, I've got wired in. One of the relays is what sends the power onto the recessed power outlet, and actually this one, the right one goes to the outlet, left one goes to the air solenoid valve. It's a 110 solenoid valve. Arduino Nano uses software to simply trigger both relays at once. It's really overkill for what this does, but given the low cost of the components, this is fine, even though it's a smarter unit than it needs to be. The price, you're still looking for less than $10 for the 2 of these. Well, probably $15, which is still fine. So that is an overview of the components. I will hook it up and fire it up. Okay, what I've done is connected the Euro cable for power and an air supply for the horn, and I've connected a lamp plugged into the recessed outlet to simulate the headlights that will be installed into the haunted house that will shine at the patrons when the horn goes off. So the light and the horn gets triggered at the same time. I'm going to power on the unit, and it has a little bit of a wait while it boots up, and then I will trigger the motion sensor, and you'll see the light come on as well as the extremely loud horn blast.